Dust motes dance in the fading light. A rusted wire pulled too damn tight. That random voice, a phantom sound, still echoes on this hallowed ground. Yeah, it drags me back through twisted time to a memory and old forgotten crime. Unplug my heart, tear out the frayed connection. This ghost of you, it fuels my dark affliction. Let the circuit die, let the feeling cease to burn. No more lessons left there for this old heart to learn. I see your face in every crowd I meet, hear your laughter down the empty street. A faded photograph I can't throw away, trapped in the shadows of yesterday. Yeah, it drags me back through twisted time to a memory and old forgotten crime. Unplug my heart, tear out the frayed connection. This ghost of you, it fuels my dark affliction. Let the circuit die, let the feeling cease to burn. No more lessons left for this old heart to learn. I stream into the void, can't find relief, just hollow reds of a long lost belief. Break these chains, this static in my soul, before the darkness takes its final toll. Unplug my heart before it turns to stuff me alone.